A new, easy meal prep made right in your microwave. These protein-packed breakfast bowls are absolutely delicious, have endless variations, and only take a few minutes to make. So let's jump right into them. To make these, you'll need a microwave-safe bowl, or multiple if you're planning to meal prep them. Add into the bottom of it 1.5 cups of some shredded potatoes like this, or chopped up potatoes if you can't find those. You can chop them up however you want. The thinner the better. You can also make your own shredded potatoes with a grater. If you're using thicker cut pieces, throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes before the next step. From here, add in 2 large whole eggs or the equivalent in egg substitute. 1/4 cup of cottage cheese, some chopped up vegetables, I went with onion and green pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and anything else you want. I usually go with a couple bacon bits. Give those a quick mix. For even more protein, you can top this with or mix in a few ounces of some lean pre-cooked meat or alternative and 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese. I like ground beef or turkey for my lean meat. I'll put the nutritional breakdowns for multiple variations on the website along with metric conversions for everything, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Put your bowl in the microwave for around 2 to 3 minutes depending on how powerful your microwave is. In the end, it should look like this. Couple tips for these. Number 1, scale this. You can make as many as you want or make them as big or as small as you want. Mix your ingredients together in some cupboard containers and pop them in the microwave when you're ready to eat them. Number 2, don't be scared to experiment. Add in salsa, use taco seasoning, change up the protein with rotisserie chicken, use a sweet potato, and so on. I'll put a collection of ideas on the website. And number 3, don't forget to top it. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was, bang, congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this many shredded potatoes. Guess how much you think they weigh in grams in the comments below, and the closest one to it will win a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more quick meal prep ideas. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.